ASMAX Mode uses intelligent mesh plus 5G auto-switching technology to keep group communication stable no matter the distance or environment. Unlike Cloud Talk Mode, which relies on network coverage, ASMAX Mode keeps riders connected even in signal-poor areas like tunnels, thanks to its built-in mesh intercom. Even outside of mesh coverage, riders can stay connected through the mobile network, supporting up to 50 riders in a single intercom group. To use ASMAX Mode, you'll first need to activate it in the app. Step 1. Prepare your app. First, all riders should update to the latest version of the ASMAXWorld app, then pair headset with their phone and connect it to the app.
Start pairing.
Before using ASMAX Mode, make sure all riders in the group set the same account region. Here's how to do it. Open the app and go to Me. Tap the Settings icon to enter Account Management. Find Region. Tap and select the same country or region as your teammates. Step 2. Create the intercom room. One rider enters the group page in the app and finds the ASMAX Mode. Turn it on to enter an intercom room. A room code will be generated on the screen. Share this room code with other riders so they can join the same group intercom. Just keep in mind, ASMAX Mode must be activated in the app before each initial use. Once the intercom room is created in the app, you can switch to ASMAX Mode from standby or any other intercom mode using voice commands or the button.